Wait, were you from California originally?
No, I was born and raised here.
Oh.
Me too.
Traveled to Hawaii.
This guy will not hesitate to ever bring up.
I was born and raised here.
Born and raised here.
I
haven't been here in like 10 years.
Okay, I have a question.
But,
Do you know how to still swim here?
Yeah, I just don't like swimming here because it gives my skin like rashes.
Exactly, Peter. I just didn't want my skin rashes.
Oh, you have eczema.
What are you gonna?
Acts like he's the full on Hawaiian. We were snorkeling today. I don't think he even knows how to swim.
I know how to swim.
Guys, he's like following the waves. I'm like, what the fuck? You see Michelle? She's like this tall, chilling in the back, like going like actually really fast.
I was floating up.
Oh, 10 subs! 10 subs!
Oh, I was gonna buy that, but
That's the look of someone losing money.
Hey, at least it's still not my most expensive stream.
Okay. Alright, you had to bring that up.
I may or may not have made a bet that you would not be here in the next 10 minutes, and you came
Yeah.
in literally 2 minutes after I said that.
yeah, he doesn't.
You got Starbucks. Is that why you're late?
You should
Gotta
just...
go.
Oh no, his poor shoes.
Sorry.
Okay.
No. Hi, Jonathan. I'm Leslie. Have we met before? I remember you.
It's GRPG.
I know. Oh, that's. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, you've met him before and you don't remember that was GRGP?
I do remember that his face.
Wow.
Because
Okay.
we met at the Lost Video.
Well, I remember his body.
Wow.
Edison,
What?
you seem to remember a lot of dudes' bodies.
Dude, he's like 16.
You got a great memory there.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Good to see you. Wow. We went to the University of Hawaii.
So if, when Edison gets married and he gets a best man, does that mean it's just like the best dude he slept with?
Hi, Carmi. I'm Leslie.
Hey, Trey.
Yeah, it's kind of rough, but when you go light, the sun is just going down.
All right, let's go through alerts real quick, just in case.
Wanna
we
go
missed some-
selfie cam?
Oh, you subbed! You resubbed just now! Look! Wow, she's flexing in person. That's crazy. Hold on. All right, hold on. I'm just gonna read through these. All right, so sorry if I missed some of these earlier. Okay, Keely, I think we're giving a sub to Jeshi. Joe42, thanks for tier 1 sub. Mega Robot 55, thanks for resub for 2 months. Cobes, thanks for resub for 11 months. Star Gallius, thanks for 100 bits. My favorite React Andy streamer though, PCPH, thanks dude. Kijaka, thanks for resub for 5 months. RR Cooley, thanks for resub for wait, can they see my face as I'm talking?
Yes.
Oh okay, well, great. You're my favorite streamer, Peter. RR Cooley, you were my favorite Prime subber from 24 minutes ago, unless someone else Prime subbed since then. Tyler, welcome back for 7 months, and the Chicken 9, thanks for resubbing for 2 months in a row, and Corneth, thanks for resubbing for 8 months in a row. We are enjoying Hawaii. Thanks, dude. Wolf over 9, thanks for resubbing for 9 months. BT Side Guy, thanks for resub for 11 months. Ninja, thanks for resub for 7 months. Why do you say this man right here, officer? I might be wrong. Kami, thanks for resub for 3 months. Gassers, thanks for resubbing for 11 months. And Ahmed, thank you for the 100 bits saying Edithan Thafo, Edithan Thafo, Edithan Thafo, Edithan Thafo, Edithan Thafo.
Now, that was a wholesome moment. Look how much ooze we're having.
Sorry that I'm being loud. I'm just, well, you know who I am, so.
Yeah, what? Who? Why would someone say loud? That's literally your stream chat rules.
Oh my, dude, wait.
What? I shouldn't have bought anything.
Real life flex.
That's worth it.
We just have people trying to out white knight each other. It's great.
Wait, what else did he bring? You waited in line for that. What else did people bring?
Deshaun brought water. Okay,
I
so
show?
Alex, this motherfucker was like,
showed?
hey, I can't buy any water right now, so can someone bring water for me,
Oh
please?
my
While we're like, right next to an
God.
APC. And then Deshaun actually brings
Is it hard to get there? Is it hard to get there?
Alex got his clout now.
It's very popular,
there one with
so there's
boba?
a long line.
Yeah, so I think I have
Was it easy
like
to find me from my photo?
Whoa.
Well, me neither.
Wait, can I have one of those? Is there one?
it's for you guys.
Whoa, let's go. Guys, I officially made it. What the hell? Wait, only if there's an extra one.
Brown sugar, boba.
I'm not for just a
Foam, it's a 15.
yoink. I'm gonna take
You want to try it?
this one. Just a regular one. Yoink. Oh shoot! Please don't fall.
Let me put this on.
Oh, okay, yeah, fall. No.
I was gonna record you getting it.
No. Recording, it's okay.
Okay, here. Taste test.
Taste test.
First-
That is
my
one
first
big
wine
ass
boba.
straw. Oh, thank you.
You know, when I was in Hawaii,
Thank you so much. Nope,
we
nope,
open
nope.
it for you.
God.
Okay, never mind. You do it yourself.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. I'm sorry.